Need private water and sewer services in Sherwood Park? At Kingstree Plumbing, we provide fast, reliable solutions to keep your water and sewer systems running smoothly. Whether you're dealing with low water pressure, septic backups, or clogged sewer lines, our expert team delivers affordable repairs, maintenance, and installations tailored to your needs. In Sherwood Park, private water and sewer systems require specialised care. Our local expertise ensures we handle everything, from septic system maintenance to well water repairs with precision and efficiency. When you choose Kingstree Plumbing, you're choosing trusted professionals committed to quality, reliability, and customer satisfaction. Want to ensure your home systems stay in top condition? Contact Kingstree Plumbing today for expert private water and sewer services in Sherwood Park.